Namaskar, I am Shoma Banerjee and welcome to Amader Bangalir Rannaghor. Bengali culture is as sweet as the Bengali cuisines. Bengali cuisines have always been a matter of great interest across the globe. So today I'll be cooking a wonderful Bengali dish, the koftas of raw banana or Kanchakolar Kofta. Now kofta actually is not from Bengal. It comes from the Middle East with the name kefte. From there it came to India as kofta. So today let's not waste time in studying the history, but let me take you to my kitchen. Now for the koftas, I have taken 2 raw bananas and I've halved them and boiled them, and then I have taken 1 potato. So for 2 raw bananas I have taken 1 raw potato and I have boiled them all. Now to roll out the koftas, I have taken salt as per your own wish and the quantity that you feel like. I have taken pink Himalayan salt, I have taken turmeric powder, I have taken coriander powder, cumin powder, black pepper powder and a little bit of sugar. And then I have also taken roasted gram powder or besan that we call, and now I'll be kneading them together. I have mashed the banana along with all the ingredients, and now I'll be greasing my palm and I'll be rolling a small balls as per the size I want. So I've just greased with a little bit of vegetable oil or ghee, and I'll be rolling out few balls with the entire mashed up banana. I have broken few cashews and kismis and I have just kept them to stuff the koftas. Just make a small hole, add a little bit of maybe a cashew or 2 raisins and just roll them up evenly. This will give a crunchiness and it will add a beauty to your koftas. Now my koftas are ready to be fried, so let me take you to the kitchen and let's fry it. I have heated oil, the wok is very hot now. Now one by one I shall fry the koftas. As my koftas are getting fried, let me update you on the recipe. Now this kofta is completely a vegetarian food. Why I tell you, Bengali vegetarian food does not include onion and garlic. So this recipe is without onion and without garlic. So that's why I have taken tomatoes and I have taken coconut. Coconut is actually the heart of vegetarian food for Bengali cuisines. So I have taken both coconut as well as ginger, tomato, cumin powder, coriander powder, turmeric and a little bit of the Kashmiri mirch powder or the Degi mirch powder, which will add color to the food. I fried my koftas, and now for spluttering the oil I have taken some cumin or jeera, a bay leaf, cinnamon, red chilli and green cardamoms. And also I have taken some potatoes, I have just diced them, which I am going to use in the gravy. I have spluttered the cumin and other ingredients in the oil. Now I'll be adding the potatoes to fry. I'm frying the potatoes in the oil. Now you can see my potatoes have gone fried. Now I'll be adding the masala to it. I have added the masala to the potatoes and I keep frying it till the masala gets fried very well and oil separates out. My masala is almost fried and I have added some green peas which I had, and also I have added sugar, salt and turmeric, and I'm frying it all the more because still the smell is yet to come. My masala has almost got fried. It is not sticking to the sides of the wok, so it is almost ready now. So I'll just add a little bit of water to it. Drop the koftas into the gravy and I'll boil it for some time, and now I will season the recipe. Now I'll season it with a dollop of ghee. I have taken some ghee and I'll be putting it into the kofta gravy. And also for seasoning, I'll be taking some Kasuri methi and I'll pour it on the recipe. You may also take fresh coriander if you wish. But since I had Kasuri methi, I'll be using that. And then I'll cover it for some time. My koftas are ready and I've plated. So you can just see the color and the taste is really unique. So my dear friends, please try it out at your home and do give me your feedback about the koftas of well.Add.